So hi guys, and welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. Now in today's video you can say goodbye to ordinary meals and hello to the taste explosion that is our vegetarian noodles. The rich satay sauce and juicy vegetables is the perfect dish for meatless Mondays or any day of the week. So grab your apron and let's get cooking as I show you how to make this simple but delicious dish. So to start, we're going to take a wok or a frying pan and heat it until it's extremely hot, and then we're going to spray with some rapeseed oil. Now to the wok in our pan we're going to add 1 finely sliced red pepper, 225 grams of green beans, 175 grams of baby corn that's been half lengthways, and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Now we'll just stir fry that for 4 to 5 minutes just until the vegetables are softened. So now to the cooked vegetables, I'm going to add 275 grams of cooked egg noodles, 1 400 gram tin of coconut milk, 100 grams of crunchy peanut butter, 2 tablespoonfuls of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoonfuls of sweet chilli sauce, 1 teaspoon of light brown sugar, and the juice of half a lime. And we'll just give that a stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's piping hot. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. So after 2 to 3 minutes, now that the sauce is piping hot and is reduced down and thickened, it's time to serve. Now I've just served my vegetable satay noodles into a bowl. I'm going to top it with some chopped spring onions and a few crunchy peanuts that I've chopped up. Now folks, again, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in my further videos, and thanks for watching.